Are you overwhelmed by daily household chores? No matter how hard you try, your floors never seem to be spotless. And those hand-free floor washers you've been eyeing, do they really live up to the hype? Or are they just a smelly mess? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my previous video, I did a detailed review for the UWANT and Tenneco. Have you picked your favorite yet? Let's find out today as we pit the two popular floor washers against each other. UWANT D100 versus DREAME H14. I'm diving deep into the cleaning performance, design feature, and overall user experience to help you make the smartest decision. Let's see which one can truly free up your hands and make life easier. Let's start by comparing their designs. After all, good designs is not just about looks. It's about how easy they are to use and how effective they are at cleaning. First up, the base stations. UWANT's push-in docking station is like a garage for your floor washer. You simply slide it in, no lifting, no lining it up, just push and go. This makes it incredibly convenient, especially for users with limited wrist mobility. Plus, it helps keep the area around the base clean. No dirty streaks on your floor. On the other hand, DREAME H14 uses a more traditional docking system. You need to manually lift the washer and flip it upside down to secure it. While it's not too difficult, it can leave smudges around the base and you might have to clean around it a second time. UWANT definitely has more user-friendly modern design here. Next, let's talk about the handle design. For those of you who use a floor washer for long periods, wrist comfort is key. UWANT's suspended handle provides excellent flexibility, reducing wrist strain and allowing for longer cleaning sessions without discomfort. It's especially useful for those who clean large areas regularly. DREAME's fixed handle, while sturdy, doesn't offer the same flexibility. Without the ability to rotate, you may feel wrist pain over time, especially in tight places. For example, when you need to clean under low furniture, UWANT's handle allows for greater flexibility. Now let's get into the most important part, the cleaning power. No matter how nice the design, it all comes down to how well these washers actually clean. I tested both machines on a variety of messes: soy sauce, milk, mustard, coffee grounds, sugar, ketchup, and dirt stains to see how they handle different types of spills. As you can see, both UWANT and DREAME quickly sucked up the wet debris and neither left any marks behind. UWANT's adaptive suction mode automatically adjusts to the severity of the stain, giving it a bit of an edge over DREAME in terms of precision cleaning. Now let's see how they handle cleaning edges. So you can see how quickly and easily the UWANT picks up all the dirt from the edges, and it only takes one pass to pick it up. Here's the DREAME H14 cleaning the edges. It does it nicely also, however, you have to do it a few times to pick up all the dirt from the edges. Finally, let's talk about cleaning and maintenance. A good machine is only helpful if it's easy to clean and maintain. UWANT's IPS6 water-resistant motor and removable base makes cleaning after use super easy. You can simply detach the parts and rinse them underwater, saving time and effort. DREAME doesn't have such an easy to clean design. Its base is non-removable and the motor can't be washed. If the machine gets dirty, you'll have to scrub it by hand, which can be frustrating and messy. Both models feature self-cleaning systems, but UWANT's 60 degrees Celsius hot air drying not only sanitizes the rollers, but also runs quietly under 74 dB. DREAME's rapid dry mode, while effective, is louder and less efficient in controlling odors. UWANT also comes with a built-in deodorizing stick that eliminates odors, preventing any unpleasant smells even if the wastewater is not emptied right away. DREAME, on the other hand, relies on you to regularly empty the tank to avoid smells. Definitely a downside for busy households. After thorough testing, the UWANT D100 comes out as a clear winner. Its innovative push-in dock, suspended handle, 180-degree flat cleaning ability, powerful suction, and easy to maintain system makes it a much more efficient and convenient choice. If you want a cleaner that's going to work for you and not against you, the UWANT is the way to go. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.